Hello and welcome to a very wintry photography locked down challenges. These challenges are designed to help you stretch your creativity and think sideways. The theme this time is season. How could you interpret that? How could you think sideways and interpret that theme into a photo? This is up to you to choose. If you'd like to find out more about these challenges, click the little thing that's popping up above me right now. So I'm in the UK. It's winter. Now you might be thinking, we don't have winter where I live because I live near the equator. There's other ways of doing this. But what I have spotted in this car park, I hope I can capture it because it's kind of faded. You see we got a tree, it's a wintry tree. There's no leaves on this. In the summer it's all covered in leaves and greenery, and in the spring blossom, but now it's gone to sleep, it's wintertime. We're in a city centre. I love the kind of juxtaposition between twigs and that building on the other side of the street. Now I don't know if you can see it from where you are, but when I bend my knees a bit and move, I can kind of catch a little bright thing in the window. Can you see that, Shannon? Yeah? No? Don't know? Yeah, she's got it. We got Shannon on camera today. I'm thinking, could we catch that little sparkle of wintry sun against that grey sky with some leaves? Could we get a shot? Could we use the leaves here, kind of like, if you like, to frame the building? I don't know. We're going to find out, but I'm going to do it as quick as I can because I don't want to lose that bit of light in the window. So here we go, got my video camera rolling. There's our building. If we zoom in, look, you see that little highlight in the window? I'm doing the crouch, the photographer's stance. That's quite interesting. I quite like that. I think that's wintry. How about if I got closer and sort of composed it like that? That might work. How about if we went more negative space? If I move in and zoom out, I don't like the lamppost much. It needs to be in or not. Maybe go that way. Oh, I quite like that. Whoops, I'm going to fall over a wall. I quite like that. I think that is something like that. That, I think, could be our shot. Let me go. Do you want me the other way around, Shannon? Let's see what we can do. I quite liked that. Now, how do we want to expose? It's winter, it's cold. There's two ways really, isn't there? It's kind of like a bright cold or a dull cold. And you do that just by controlling the exposure. So let's see. Let's go for a dull cold. Now, right now, I'm kind of doing precisely what the light meter says. I'm kind of going for a grey, dull, wintry day. Bend my knees a bit, catch that highlight. I rather like that. That's like a dark cold. We're maximising on the cloud. But we could also, of course, increase the exposure a bit and make it slightly brighter, which gives it a more sort of bluey, wintry, cold feeling. I'm not sure which I'm going to like best till we look at it. You know what, it's better than I thought. I kind of like that. I do kind of like it. It has got a wintry feel. You can, of course, adjust the composition. I'm moving forward a bit. Could we make it more negative spacey? Could we kind of go for a bit more building and a wider angle lens? I don't think this is going to work as well. Oh, I like that. I think that's kind of cold and wintry. How else could we interpret season? Let's go and see if I can find out. How about seasoning something tasty and delicious to make it even more tasty and delicious? And hopefully you're going to do it with something just a little bit more healthy and imaginative than I just did. I hope you're already seeing there are many possibilities in ways you could interpret season. What about football season, for example? What about that? There are all sorts of seasons, sporting seasons. Need a couple of people in that picture, but there you go. Think laterally. You'll notice I haven't taken lots of pictures in this particular video because I don't want to taint your interpretation. But hopefully I have planted a couple of seeds of thought. Things that you can take on. What are the different ways I can say season in a picture? How can I photograph it? If you're having problems with the photography side of things, click the little thing up here. Go and find out how I can help you. You can get a free sample. I can help you nail light, composition, camera, and all that good stuff. The hashtag for this week's challenge has been on screen throughout this video. I've just brought up all you need to know about closing dates and where to upload your pictures. There's a link below to the PLD Facebook group. And also, if you'd like to support the group because you find you're getting value from it, we need donations to pay for these videos and the live feedback sessions and all the rest of it. So again, please click the little thing up here, just £3 a month, the cost of a takeaway coffee will make the world of difference. I look forward to seeing you in the live event. I really look forward to seeing what you make out of Seasons. Be well, take care, see you soon.